Another eventful day trying to get to El Nido. Stick around and check it out. Hello everybody, Mingla Marley again. So after a day of being stuck in Puerto Princesa instead of El Nido, we're finally on the tuk-tuk to catch the shuttle to El Nido. It's about 7:45 in the morning. We're heading to the airport. It's about a 10-minute ride to get there. The shuttle from the airport to El Nido is supposed to be about 6 hours. We were supposed to take that shuttle yesterday. You should watch the video about all the troubles we had that caused us to stay in Puerto Princesa for a day when we were supposed to just go straight to El Nido. But actually had paid for 3 different hotels yesterday. The one in El Nido, the one in Puerto Princesa that we never could get in, that bought off Airbnb. Nobody ever let us in, so we had to go to another one on Airbnb. So hopefully I get my money back from that one. So here we are on the shuttle now. It just started about 45 minutes into the ride. Finally start seeing some of the coastline. You know, it's really beautiful Palawan coastline here. Clouds rolling in. Looks like some possible rainy weather. The first stop on the shuttle was they took us to the office where they have you pay for the ride, and also you can buy your tours in El Nido there. So I paid for 2 round-trip tickets and 2 tickets for Tour B in El Nido. I don't remember exactly how much I paid, and I can't look it up because I paid with cash. But I do believe it was about 5,000 to 6,000 pesos, in that range somewhere. Sounds like a lot of knocking sounds underneath this van as we ride along. Looks like we were having some wheel problems, some trouble getting up the hill towards the halfway spot where I have a rest stop at Roxas. Caused about an hour delay. Well, I hate to talk about toilets, but you need to know this is about the best you're going to find as far as public restrooms in Palawan. Travel with your own toilet paper like I do. You'll need it. That old shuttle only drove about 100 yards before I had to turn around, and luckily we got a new van, much more comfortable ride. Since we're running late, we're not going to catch sunset in El Nido. Only a little bit while we're driving here on the way there. Have you ever seen a sunset view like this from the road? It's amazing. Worth the trip alone just for this. Seven hours on the shuttle, finally dropped off in El Nido, across the street from the market. Catching a tuk-tuk to our resort. El Nido is hopping on a Wednesday night. Nothing but tourists.
Okay, we finally made it to 89 Villas in El Nido, Palawan. Took a day and a half to get here. It was only supposed to take half a day. Um, room's not as big as I thought it was, but I'm going to show it to you. We're still pretty happy with it so far. First, got a bathroom. This is just a shower room, shower, sink, mirror. That's the entrance door there. Separate bathroom, which after our very long, extra long ride, I need to use that real soon. But here is the very nice bed. That is a very thick mattress. Shelving space. AC down 19. That's gonna be a little too cold for us. Desk area. And in the morning, I will film the view. But what it looks like at nighttime, we were definitely supposed to be here in the daytime, but we didn't make it. You can see, I can see, so you cannot see. There's a lagoon down there. So I will continue filming in the morning.
Our one stop for the night, Holy Grill and Resto Bar. Missy got her first ever margarita, and I got the chicken tinola. Since I haven't been feeling well for a few days, I figured soup was all I could stomach. That's green papaya in there. Pretty good, and it didn't feel like it did too much damage to me.